Struggling with depression can be extremely hard, and oftentimes people don't notice it. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 signs that you might be depressed. So let's get right to it. One of the first signs of depression that I like to often talk about is a feeling of hopelessness and extreme sadness. Oftentimes, this can look like feeling no motivation at all and feeling like nothing in your life matters. All the things that were once enjoyable no longer matter. So when you're waking up in the morning, you ask yourself, why even get out of bed? Why even bother living? Why hang out with my friends? They're probably going to hate me. You start losing hope and think that everything is going to end up negatively and your life has no purpose. When you start having these feelings and you just feel like there's no hope, or you start having days when getting out of bed is so hard, it's probably time that we started looking at help or reaching out for help for depression. The second sign I often like to talk about is losing interest in things you once enjoyed. So that can look like if you are someone that likes golfing, you suddenly don't care about golfing anymore. If you're someone that really loves watching TV shows, your TV shows suddenly become less entertaining. You start caring less about things that are important to you. Oftentimes, this can also look like spending time with your friends. That can decrease drastically because you don't really want to do that because you don't feel like you're worthy of enjoying things. When you start having those feelings and you start isolating yourself from the things that you enjoy, you go into deeper states of depression because you are no longer enjoying things whatsoever. Something that I want to mention before we go to the third one is that this is not an extensive list. Depression and anxiety can show up and present in very different ways. If you're noticing these symptoms, it is very important that we go and talk to a mental health provider or a doctor to get the help that we need. Signs that I'm talking about are just some of the very common ones. However, there can be different ways they present themselves based on culture, based on identity, and your environment too. With that being said, the third sign I always like to talk about is feeling worthless or having a lot of negative self-talk. This can look like thinking of yourself very negatively, calling yourself ugly, calling yourself unlovable, calling yourself someone that is not worth caring for in this world. Sometimes it can even go as dark as thinking of yourself as someone that's not worthy of even living. If you start noticing that you're having these thoughts, it might be important for you to go talk to a mental health professional because these are signs that you might be very depressed. It can also look like feeling like you are not worthy of anything at all and you isolate yourself from everyone else. And if you are noticing some of these signs in yourself and you're feeling depressed, I just want to say that you're not alone. Depression can happen to anybody. Everyone can struggle, and you are not in this battle alone, and there's always people there to help you. If you're struggling, it's okay to reach out. It's okay to ask for help. And there are going to be people that care about you. It's okay to reach out to a therapist to talk about what you're going through. It's okay to talk to a doctor and talk about depression medication. It's okay to talk to your loved ones about the fact that you are struggling with your mental health. We are here to help you, and we are here to make sure that you feel better. The feeling of depression sucks, but doesn't mean you have to go through it alone. There's always someone there to help you as long as you reach out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day.